just relax. I was getting this cup out of the cupboard this morning, and I didn't realize this one said relax on it. I have these, the Ray Dunn cups, and I said, oh, how apropos, relax. Don't worry about stuff you have no control over. I've said that a million times, but just relax. I said, okay, I will. So I fixed me some tea. I'm trying to drink more tea than coffee. It really doesn't matter. This is decaffeinated tea. This is a green tea. I'm trying to drink more teas, and I love the different flavored teas as well. But this morning, I'm going to relax, or try to anyway. I wanted to get on here, and first of all, I'm going to give you, not first of all, but just stick with me till the end, and I'll tell you who the winner is of my giveaway. A few days ago, I decided I was going to do a giveaway, and you need to go back and watch that video if you will. And I had such nice compliments and sweetness, and people let me know what kind of fragrance they love, and especially in the Scentsy warmers, or the warmers that you can put, you know, the candle wax in. It doesn't matter what it is. And I had the nicest compliments from so many people, and telling me a little bit, and I get to know you a little bit better when you do that. It's fun to see all the different fragrances that I hadn't even thought about that you probably can buy. And some of them, I love a lot of the spring. I love myself. I really do love gardenias. I think they smell so good. I love honeysuckle. And I think my twin even acknowledged on that video that she loved honeysuckle. But that being said, there's just so many different scents, you know. So anyway, I will mention this in another minute or two. I'll tell you who that winner is. So stick with me. Be yourself. Be yourself today. Be yourself through the weekend. No matter what the criticism is, or what people say about you, or what they think about you, do the best you can and just be yourself. I know that not everybody likes everybody. Not everybody, they may not like them. But, you know, I've always been to the point that I've always found something that I liked in everybody. If they had a good personality, or they were beautiful on the inside, or they're beautiful on the outside. It's nice if you're beautiful on the inside and outside, but sometimes that's not always the case. But I always think about, you know, just be yourself. Don't let anybody make you feel so sad about yourself and insecure about yourself. Be happy for people, what they have, what they've done, their accomplishments. You can do the same thing as anybody. You just set your mind to it and you can do it. So, you know, just be yourself, love yourself. And when you love yourself, you'll find that more people will love you. The winner. Okay, here we go. It's Carol Watson. Carol, just go to my email. Let me know how I can contact you, how I can send your giveaway. It's going to be a little something besides the Happy Wax little insert. It'll be some other things as well, and I'll get to know how. If you'll just do that, just go to my email and send me one and let me know how to contact you. I appreciate it very much, and thank you. And I pinned your comment on the last video. So I guess that's being said, I just want to make sure everybody's having a great day, happy day, good weekend. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And thank you for your new subscribers. Thank you so much for the nice compliments, and thank you for all those wonderful thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. I love you. Until tomorrow.